In this video, I will show you how to turn off Google Discover on Android. So let's get started. First, open Google app on your Android device. Now tap your profile icon located at the top right side. Next, tap Settings. Look for options like General or Other Settings. Tap General or Other Settings to open. Here, under App, you will find an option Discover with Toggle button. Simply turn off Discover toggle button. Now close Google app from background and open again. And as you can see, there are no Discover stories on the Home tab of Google app. So that is how you can turn off Google Discover on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.